Hello, my name is Tony from the National Weather Service in San Juan. This message is being broadcasted with the ongoing tornado in Puerto Rico. We have already seen massive damage from this storm and it is heading into the direction of Downtown San Juan. Something like this is something we don't expect, let alone in the Caribbean that is Puerto Rico. We are asking that residents in the city move underground, if not in the centermost area of your building. We expect this storm to potentially kill people.
Tornado emergency for San Juan. The National Weather Service office in San Juan has issued a tornado warning for San Juan until 3 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. At 2:24 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time, meteorologists and the National Weather Service were tracking a large and violent tornado heading towards the San Juan metro. This is a life-threatening emergency. You need to get in an underground shelter if you want to preserve your life. If you are in a mobile home, evacuate and find a sturdier shelter. As a last resort, find and lie in a ditch and cover your head. Tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: Storm Spotters and Public Confirmed Tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include the city of San Juan. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.